No, I am not talking about the latest fad or workout gimmick. I am talking about the age-old debate. Does working out in the morning actually burn more fat, or does hitting the gym at night give you the upper hand? Some swear by sunrise exercises, while others claim late-night training is unbeatable. So, which one really helps you torch more fat? Let us dive in. Have you ever wondered if the time of day you exercise truly matters for burning fat? It is a question that echoes through gym locker rooms and online fitness forums constantly. Some people are devout believers in the power of a sunrise run, convinced that an early start torches fat more effectively. Others find their greatest strength and endurance long after the sun has set, lifting heavier and pushing harder in the evening hours. This debate is not merely about preference. It is about a deep desire for efficiency and results. We all want to know if a simple change, like moving our workout from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., could unlock a new level of fat loss. This question matters because the journey to a healthier body composition can feel complex and overwhelming. Many of us are already juggling busy schedules, careful meal planning, and the sheer effort of exercise itself. The idea that we might be missing out on better results simply because of timing can be a source of anxiety. If one time is genuinely superior, we want to harness that advantage. The allure of the morning workout is powerful, and it is often centered around a concept known as fasted cardio. This involves exercising in a glycogen-depleted state, typically before you have eaten your first meal of the day. After an overnight fast, your body's levels of stored carbohydrates are low. Glycogen is low, and the hormone insulin is low. Proponents argue that this environment encourages your body to shift its fuel preference, prompting it to burn a higher percentage of stored body fat during the session. Some studies show a modest increase in fat oxidation during fasted versus fed exercise. Beyond metabolism, morning exercise offers psychological benefits that support fat loss. Starting your day with a hard workout creates a sense of accomplishment. It also builds discipline. That decision can create a ripple effect, leading to healthier choices all day. You may be less likely to skip a healthy meal or give in to mindless snacking. Front-loading workouts reduces late-day fatigue. It also prevents social plans from derailing your routine. All that helps ensure consistency, critical for long-term progress. Morning exercise can also affect circadian rhythm and metabolic health. Morning light plus activity helps set your internal clock, which can mean improved alertness during the day and better sleep at night. Some research suggests morning exercise improves insulin sensitivity more than evening sessions, making your body more efficient at managing blood sugar and shuttling nutrients into your cells. Fasted cardio may burn a higher percentage of fat in session, yet total calories burned can be lower if performance suffers. Many people feel less energy when exercising on an empty stomach, less strength and reduced endurance, which can make sessions shorter and less intense. That reduced work can negate the fuel shift benefit. For those chasing muscle growth, fasted training can increase muscle protein breakdown, counterproductive. The ideal workout time must balance metabolic theory with real-world performance. A strong case can be made for training in the late afternoon or evening. This is the time when many individuals experience their peak physical performance. Multiple physiological factors align to create this optimal window for strength and endurance. Your core body temperature is naturally higher later in the day, which improves muscle elasticity, nerve conduction velocity, metabolic reactions. This internal warmth acts like a natural warm-up, potentially reducing injury risk and allowing your muscles to contract with greater force and speed, a phenomenon supported by performance studies. This peak capacity can directly translate to a more effective workout, leading to better fat loss over the long term. Lift heavier, do more reps, or run faster, and you raise total workload and energy expenditure. The evening workout can also serve as a powerful tool for mental and emotional decompression. After a long and stressful day, a gym session can act as a physical outlet for pent-up tension. The focused effort shifts your mind away from daily worries, while endorphins provide a natural mood boost. For many, this routine becomes a transition that sheds the day's stress. Of course, the most common concern is night workouts interfering with sleep. The myth that any evening exercise ruins sleep is pervasive, but the reality is nuanced. An extremely high-intensity workout right before bed can elevate heart rate and core temperature, making it harder to fall asleep for some. But many find moderate evening exercise helps them sleep more deeply. The key is a buffer zone. Finish your workout 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, and incorporate a calming cool-down activities, like gentle stretching or a warm shower. that can mitigate disruptive effects and harness sleep-promoting benefits. As we navigate the nuances of morning versus night workouts, it is essential to zoom out and focus on the fundamental principle. The science is unequivocally clear on this point. Fat loss is achieved through a sustained calorie deficit. Over time, you must expend more energy than you consume. Your body then turns to stored energy, primarily body fat. Timing is, at best, secondary. It never replaces the core principle. Total energy balance over weeks and months dictates body composition. Think of your body as a bank account for energy. Food is your deposits. Breathing, thinking, walking, lifting weights. A single workout at dawn or dusk is just one withdrawal. Fasted mornings may draw a higher fat percentage, but intense evenings often withdraw more total calories. What matters is the sum over time. Now that we have established that consistency trumps timing, how do you choose the best time for you and make it stick? The first and most important step is an honest self-assessment. The best workout time is the one you will actually do. Forget what influencers say. Look at your own life. Are you energized at dawn, or does a 5 a.m. alarm fill you with dread? Is your evening open, or often derailed by work, family, or social commitments? Choose the path of least resistance. Identify a slot and test it for at least 2 weeks. Your body needs time to adapt. Mornings may feel sluggish at first, but that can change as your circadian rhythm adjusts. Track your energy during workouts and throughout the day. How is your sleep, your mood, your appetite? Keep a simple journal. This data is your personal guide. Match your nutrition to your chosen time, not the other way around. If you train fasted and lack energy, have a small, easily digestible snack. A banana, a small serving of yogurt, to fuel a more productive session. If you train at night, mind your post-workout meal. Include a good source of protein to aid recovery, but avoid an overly heavy meal that can disrupt sleep. Listen to your body's feedback and adjust your plan. Maybe lunchtime is your sweet spot, or try cardio in the morning and strength in the evening. The goal is not a universal perfect time. It is your personally optimal time. Let performance, energy, and adherence be your metrics for success. Creating a lasting habit is a journey, not a single event. Start smaller than you think you need. If your goal is 5 days, begin with 2, then 3. A consistent 20-minute workout beats a skipped 1-hour session. Each workout is a vote for your new identity. Establish baseline consistency. Then add a day, add 5 minutes, add 10 minutes. Lift slightly heavier, or run a little faster. Small changes are manageable and prevent overwhelm. They keep you adapting and prevent plateaus. Track more than weight. Clothes fit, energy, strength, endurance. Anchor your habit. Morning. After my first glass of water, I put on workout clothes. Evening. When I walk in the door from work, I change into gym gear. So, we return to our original question: morning or night? After exploring the science and realities, the answer is refreshingly simple. Both morning and night workouts are effective for burning fat. Neither holds a magical key to effortless results. Subtle morning advantages are often balanced by evening performance and calorie burn. The most powerful determinant is not the clock, but the consistency of your effort. The best workout is the one you do regularly, with intention. Become an expert on yourself. Experiment, listen, and choose the time that helps you show up and feel your best. Anchor your routine in fundamentals. Maintain a consistent calorie deficit, prioritize strength training, and get adequate sleep. These big levers drive 95% of results. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more health myth breakdowns. Let this knowledge empower you to move forward with confidence. Stop chasing the perfect time. Embrace a persistent routine. Build your plan, start small, and celebrate progress. Your body is ready to adapt to steady work. Whether you greet the sunrise with a run or challenge the weights after a long day, what matters is that you are moving, you are pushing, and you are honoring your commitment to your health. Our goal is clear, actionable, and science-grounded guidance. Start today, stay consistent, and watch the results follow. Both times can work if you are consistent. Do not chase the perfect time. Chase the time that works well for you.